What's up, guys? Welcome back to the channel. What we're doing today, we're gonna do a quick little oil change on the truck here. We got the dogs here. We just took the truck for a quick ride just so she's all warmed up, all the oil's warmed up and stuff like that, and she's ready to kiss me. I love you too. Love you. Yeah, so we just got the truck all warmed up, so we're doing an oil change. Gotta get get out, get them all settled, go down there, drop the drop the drain plug, the oil filter, get the new oil in. And then after that, we're gonna be chilling, going around the yard, doing some things maybe, and also I'm going out tonight, so maybe we get some footage of tonight. So see what happens, see what goes on. Maybe it's just an oil change video. See how the night goes. All right, so we're making our way underneath the truck here. Now our oil plug is right there, so I'm gonna just get that loosened up and, of course, get the oil drained out, which I got a nice little oil pan over here, so sit you guys up back here and you guys can just watch the show happen. Well, if I can. Back. Alright. See you. That's a bad one. Whew, that's hot. It's been many miles since we had the one change in this. It's probably over 20,000 to be honest. Not proud of that one, but time gets in the way of things. Yeah, well, let that drain. I'm gonna go find the oil filter and actually no, I got the oil filters all the way up front, so we can't really do the oil filter. So we'll wait for this to drain out and then we'll just get to the oil filter. Alright. Oh, really? All over my drill, of course. Alright, well, let's put the plug in it. Be good. Alright, so since we got that drained up, oil filter's straight down in front of the motor. You see it, actually you see it from right here. Right there, I don't know if you can see it, I don't know, my fingers ain't pointing on the camera, but right underneath the pulley, in between the two hoses right there. Take off the old-fashioned way. So as always, we're using AMSOIL 5W20. Got the oil filter here. Now I'm not gonna put oil in it because you can't, it's sideways. So I'm gonna put like a little bit of oil just to get the oil filter itself soaked up with oil a little bit. But I'm not filling this up at all because it's just gonna leak out when you put it up in there. So, but we're gonna prime the engine before we start it up anyways to get oil in the filter. So we're gonna do that. So let's get the oil in, pour it to the top, get it all filled up, and filter on and be done. 7 quarts. Technically, we'll try to get close to it. That should be it. Alright, so we do the prime up your usually all Fords I think are like this, at least from, I'm assuming if this 13 is to 2013 and up at least, is what you do is you hold the brake. Oh, that's loud. Alright, hold the brake, hold the gas pedal all the way to the floor, full throttle, and you just crank it, let the car crank. And this will let oil flow through the engine. Just hold the, hold the gas pedal all the way down. All right, next one all right, so I'm gonna let it crank, let go of gas pot throttle. All right, now we're all primed up. Oil pressure's good, as you can see up there, and we are good to go. So we're gonna let this run for a minute. I'm gonna go put it on flat ground, and then we're gonna check the oil level and make sure that we are at least at the full level. All right. Let's pop this back open. Dipsticks on this side. Oh, I pull out the wrench here. Oopsies. We got a tool. Alright. I'll put you guys over here because it's just gonna be a pain in the ass. They don't put this up in good spots. Come on. There you go. Okay. Alright. Let's get that back in there. Is at the, I don't know what level she's at. Why is everything so messy today? I have an extra quart in the house, so I'll put a little extra in just so we're good on that part. Alright, other than that, oil change is done on this truck, so I said I'm just gonna add a little more just to get there. So you just want the oil to get up to that second ball mark, and then once that second ball mark is there, you're good to go. Now that I'm gonna go probably gonna test drive the Mustang, probably go clean my car engine bay out, and then maybe take you guys along to Top Golf. Maybe take you guys to Top Golf and then dinner. Maybe, I don't know. We'll see how that goes. I don't know if I feel like recording that or not, but we'll see what happens. So let's get to the Mustang and get her, see how she's doing today. There's something messed up with the slave cylinder. There's something messed up with the hydraulics. There's something in there messed up. Maybe the pressure plate. I'm not sure. I'm gonna go with slave cylinder or not slave cylinder. I don't know. The push out bearing. It's the push out bearing, which is basically part of the hydraulic system. I forget what they call it. I think it is.